In the previous video, I showed you how to create a job schedule for M42 that explained the basic steps from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you how to create a schedule for a series of 5 120-second images of a comet with a time interval of 30 minutes between each image and exposure. This schedule will image the comet 5 times over approximately 3 hours. You might schedule this type of series to investigate the dynamic behavior of a comet. You can use the same technique for similar projects of dynamically changing objects, such as asteroid light curves, newly discovered nova and supernova, many variable star and nebula observations, and so on. SSON offers you the ability to create these types of schedules quickly for these types of projects. In the observation request form, I filled in the project information for the comet I want to image, which is C2010X1, also called Yelenin after the Russian astronomer who discovered it. Next, click on Object or Position, and then click here to bring up the Objects Catalog page. Click on the first drop-down box and select Moving Objects. Then click on the second drop-down box and select Current Comets. The first page of the list of comets in the database appears. I could scroll through the pages to find the comet I want, but it's much quicker to take a shortcut. I'll enter C2010 and click Go to bring up a short list of names from the database and select the comet I want. The comet name appears in the form, but the right ascension and declination do not, as the exact coordinates of the position depends on the time the images are taken. Next, click on the Submit Job bar of the form and click on the Select Telescope drop-down box. I'll select the Mount Lemmon Sky Center 32-inch telescope for this job. For this project, I want to bring out faint detail in the comet to see how it changes over time. So I'll use the luminance filter, which is basically a clear filter that filters out the near-infrared spectrum, and set the exposure times to 120 seconds. The last step to set my schedule is to enter the number of images I want to schedule and how much time I want to delay or wait between each exposure in this series of images. I'll set the number of times to run this series to 5 images and set the delay time to wait between each exposure to 30 minutes. That's all the information I need to enter to set my schedule. So I'll click on the Submit Schedule button. And that's it. My schedule is submitted to SSON and will run on the Mount Lemmon Sky Center telescope at the next possible observing run.